Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see the sum of diagonal scale. In a diagram, a line measuring 8 cm is marked as 1.6 km. Find the RF. Using the same RF, construct a diagonal scale which is long enough to measure up to 2.75 km and show 2.75 km, 1.08 km and 0.63 km on it. So first we will draw a guideline and we'll write given data. So what is given? Drawing length 8 cm. So we'll write drawing length. And actual length is how much? 1.6 km. So we know the formula for RF. What is RF? Representative fraction. Is equal to drawing length upon actual length, that is 8 cm upon 1.6 km. If you solve this, then it will be 8 upon 1630 plus 20. That will be RF is equal to 1 upon 20,000. So now again we will draw a guideline for calculation. Now we know the maximum length. Maximum length is how much? To measure up to 2.75 kilometers. But we will take it as 3 kilometers. Always remember, a round off maximum length if it is not given. Length of scale is equal to RF into ml. So RF is how much? 1 upon 20,000 into maximum length is 3 kilometers. So multiply by 1000, multiply by 100. When you solve this, you will get answer 15 centimeter. So your length of scale is 15 centimeter. So what I will do, I will mark 15 centimeter a long line. And I'll take height 5 centimeter. So this rectangle is our scale. We are doing diagonal scale because it is 2.75. So we required it goes up to 2 decimal point. So we need to draw diagonal scale. Now we'll divide this scale into how many parts? 3 parts, because maximum length is 3 meter. So we got 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer each. So I have to write kilometer, hectometer, and I'll divide this first block into 10 parts. So what I have done, I have 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer. I am dividing first 1 kilometer into 10 parts. That is hectometer. And then what I need to do, I don't have to draw a vertical line. I have to just mark the points down. So how you divided the upper part into 10 parts, same way the lower part also into 10 parts. Then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also 1 to 10. Now join 0 to 1. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. This way you can draw a line. And this vertical line, which is 5 centimeter, that also you divide into 5 parts. Then you draw a horizontal line. And if you don't want to draw this full horizontal line, you can draw it only till the first block. That also is possible. And this is decameter. Now 2.75. So 2, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say this distance is AB. AB is 2.75 kilometer. 1.08, 1, 0 and then 8. This is 1.08 kilometer. 0.63 EF 06123. So EF is 0.63. So I hope everyone understood how to solve this sum. Thank you.